2026 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting years in automotive history. With bold designs, cutting-edge tech, and powerful EVs, carmakers are rewriting the future of driving. In today's video, we're counting down upcoming cars of 2026 that you simply can't ignore. BMW iX5 Hydrogen. Kicking off our list is the BMW iX5 Hydrogen. While most automakers are focusing on battery EVs, BMW is betting big on hydrogen fuel cells. Expected in 2026, the iX5 combines an electric driving feel with fast hydrogen refueling. Think long-range, zero emissions, and refueling in minutes, not hours. Toyota bZ5X. Toyota bZ5X, a three-row electric SUV joining Toyota's Beyond Zero lineup. Toyota is late to the EV party, but the bZ5X could change that with solid-state battery technology expected by 2026, offering longer range and faster charging than ever before. Apple Car. Project Titan. The Apple Car. After years of rumors, Apple is expected to finally unveil its first autonomous EV around 2026. With Apple's ecosystem, advanced AI, and sleek design philosophy, this could completely change how we think about Sony-Honda Afeela 1. Confirmed in production planning. First deliveries planned mid-2026. Electric sedan. All-wheel drive dual-motor setup with approximately 489 PS, approximately 483 horsepower total power. Battery. Approximately 91 kilowatt-hours lithium-ion battery. Range. Approximately 483 kilometers, approximately 300 miles on a single charge. DC fast charging, approximately 150 kilowatts. Supports Tesla's connector network for fast charging. Rivian R2. Confirmed project. Expected to launch production in first half of 2026. Variants. Single motor rear-wheel drive, dual motor all-wheel drive, and tri-motor all-wheel drive. Fast charging. From 10 to 80% in under approximately 30 minutes for DC fast charge. Smaller than Rivian's R1 line. More affordable, aimed to broaden Rivian's market. Plenty of rear legroom, fold-flat seats, front and rear trunks, storage spaces. Multiple cameras and radars for driver assist and safety features. So there you have it. Upcoming cars in 2026 that could reshape the automotive world. From hydrogen tech to luxury EVs and even Apple's first car. The future has never looked this exciting. Which one are you most hyped for? Drop your pick in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for more car news and reviews.